So hello friends, today I am going to teach you all how to create a form in Microsoft Forms. So to create a form on Microsoft Forms, you have to go to Google. So here is your Google, and then you have to write or type Microsoft Forms. Here is the Microsoft Forms. Click on it. Then you will find this Microsoft easily create surveys, quizzes and polls Microsoft Forms. So you have to click on it. So then to create a form you have to click on this sign in button. Click on it. And then you have to give your email. To sign in you have to give your email, phone number or Skype. So you can give anything. So I have given my Gmail, so you can also give it. Then you have to to your registered Gmail you have entered the gmail.com. So in that gmail.com there is a code. You have to go to your Gmail, open your Gmail. There will be a message in the top from Microsoft company. You have to click on it and you have to write the code from here. So you have to write the code. So here I have entered the code that was mailed in my Gmail. So now you have to sign in. You have to click on this sign in button. And then you have to pick a account from here. You have given your Gmail. So I am picking this account. And then you have see there is my Microsoft Forms. So here is the form I have already created. So to create a new form, to create a new Microsoft Forms, you have to click on new form. And here there it is your form. So it is known as untitled form. To give a title to the untitled form, to give a title, to create a title, you have to click on this untitled form. Then you have to click on this untitled form and you have to title your form. So here this is I am giving the title of the form as first Microsoft form. So here if you want to add a description, you can add a description. I'm not adding any description. So the form title is first Microsoft form. When you are done, you have to click on this tick sign present there. Click on it and here your form is titled as first Microsoft form. Now to add any questions to your form, you have to click on this add questions button. So click on this add question. Then you have to select the type of your question. So if your question is multiple choice, so you have to click on multiple choice. If it is normally text, so you have to click on text. If it is rating, like how you like this session of the FDP or anything you want rating, and you can set date too. So my question is choice. So then you have to write anything you want, means any question you want here. So I am giving in question as 5 plus 5. So here one option you can give. So the first option you can give any options you want. So you can give 10. Second option you also can give, so here you can give 25. Then there is no more options, means no more boxes to write options. So to add more options in your question, you have to click on this add option button. Click on this add option button, and here your option 3 appears. Erase it and write your third option. Here is the 50 I have given. You can give many options as you want. I have given 4, so here no space. Again you have to give add option, and there is your option. Then you can give 100. So here this is the 4 options I have given of this 5 plus 5. So you can answer the right one. The answer of 5 plus 5 is 10. So you just click on the 10. So then your question is ready. Then you can give more questions like this. Okay, so now my question is ready. So to attach this question to your form, you have to click on this tick option. Click on this tick option, and here your 5 plus 5 question is ready to your first Microsoft form. And then if you want to add more questions, then you have to click on add question. Then again you have to choose what type of question you want. So that depends on your question. If it is multiple choice, you have to click on multiple choice. Text, rating and date. If your question is, then you have to click one of these 3, or you can so my question is choice, and here is your question 2. Here is your question 2. I'm not giving any question or options, just to show you how to create another question here. So here the number 2 question has appeared. So now if you click on this add question, there will be 1 question, 2 question, 3 question, as you want, unlimited. It's not unlimited, it's limited. You can give, or you can give as much questions you want. Here is your first Microsoft form is ready. Then you can send this form by clicking on this plain sign. Click on it, and then if you want to send this form anywhere, you just copy the link. Or if you want to email this, you just email this to anyone you want to email. Or if you want to share, suppose you want to share in WhatsApp, so you just copy the link and then go to the WhatsApp chat where you want to send the Microsoft form, and then there will be written as type message, or there is a thing, so type message, so there will be written as that way. So you have to click on it, the keyboard will appear. Then you have to click on this type message. You have to click on it for some time, and then release your finger, and then there will be an option known as paste. So click on the paste, your link will be copied there, and that is the link of your Microsoft form. So then click on the send option. The link of the Microsoft form will be shared with that person or with that chat you have shared. Or if you want to email, just click on email. It will be sent to email. Then you will be directly go to email. Then you have to type email. So then you have to type the email ID of the person you want to send, and then you have to click on send. It will send it. So here you can create a Microsoft Forms. by using, you can create a form using Microsoft Forms. So no more today. Thank you. Bye bye.